Christina Anthony with your Storm Track 3 forecast.
We were joking around this morning, and obviously lots of sunshine out there, but I said, you know, this kind of looks like an alien invasion. And Randy...
Yeah, it looks like it's time to hide under the desk. I think we're all about to go down. That does not look good.
Right, and for many of us, you might want to do something similar if you're sunburned, like Sarah and I. We, you know, didn't... listen to our own advice. But it was pretty hot yesterday. Summertime feel, it's in the air, especially in Lumberton. They heated up to 89 degrees. Check out the coastal zones in the 80s, near 80 degrees in Wilmington and in Southport. Much cooler because of those southeasterly winds, keeping those locations cooler. Similar situation today. You'll find the upper 80s from Lumberton into Elizabethtown, even Whiteville, the middle 80s in Burgaw, but near the coast, because of those southeast winds, we'll likely just see 80 in Southport and lower 80s here in the Cape Fear. And that's going to persist through much of the week, at least 5 degrees warmer further inland. A stray shower possible further inland as well because they're so much warmer than the ocean temperatures. So sea breeze could develop, though I'm not putting too much bulk into that. More muggy each day, increasing humidity, and you're going to feel it with high pressure moving further offshore. Right now you find those southeasterly winds. That's what keeps those beach locations a little bit cooler, but then we see this. It switches from the southeast to mainly from the south, and that's really just going to keep Brunswick County locations, Brunswick County beaches cooler. But I say cooler very generously because 80-something degrees is still quite warm, especially when your average temperature is 83. Though the humidity, of course, going to make it feel much warmer than it actually is. These temperatures are not what you see is what you get. By the time we get into the later part of the week, 83 is really going to feel like 85 or 86. So many of us probably going to the beaches. It's going to be great for all of that. Water temperatures in the upper 70s, and we keep the clouds and really any activity over the Blue Ridge Mountains and approaching Asheville. A few of those clouds probably going to develop during the afternoon just with the heating of the day, so probably those fair weather cumulus clouds that just make it look even prettier. 68 degrees in Charlotte, 66 in Asheville. If we look towards the coast, middle 60s here in Wilmington, the lower 60s, Elizabethtown into Whiteville, and 57 degrees in Kenansville. That's going to be our cool spot for this morning. You'll find 77-degree water temperatures in Wrightsville Beach. If you stick your toes in, it's cold at first, I know from experience, but then it starts to feel better under the sunshine. South wind switching southeast 5 to 10 knots, 2 to 3 feet are your seas, and low tide happening early on in the morning. Your evening planner is going to stay warmer near the beaches, so by 6 o'clock, still 77 degrees if you're at Carolina Beach, Curry Beach, Wrightsville, can't forget Topsail Island, my fave, 73 by 9 o'clock, and it's still going to feel awfully mild. That's really the trend for low temperatures as we increase even our high temperatures towards this weekend. Check that out, 85, 87 degrees for Saturday and Sunday. That's when I have to start including the 20% rain chances, though, Randy, Sarah, not tracking any real fronts with this. This is just your typical summertime pattern when you have high pressure over Bermuda. So you might get some of those sea breeze showers in. Take note, 87 degrees in Wilmington means 90-something further inland. So Lumberton, Elizabethtown, Whiteville, you're going to be hot this weekend.
Lumberton is on fire.
Yep.
Yeah, literally
on fire.
Icon.
You like that?
I did. Very nice.